So I'm going to show you one thing that is absolutely abnormal, and this is why I open a GoFundMe. This is why I am asking for help, because this is not normal at my age. This is false imprisonment. So I am going to go out, okay? I do not have the keys of the flat I am living into, which is not normal at all. As if it's the only thing, but let's just keep it on this fact for today. So when I say I am asking help to get out, I am saying this is not a life and I am getting out. So if you can help, please help. If you can't donate, you can at least share the link I have put, so my GoFundMe link. So come with me. And I don't have the keys. This is not a life. I am done surviving. Not only this is not a safe environment, considering I do not have the keys, considering I have no access to any money, and it's been 6 years now, and I cannot focus and do something with my life in those conditions. It is not possible. It is called survival mode. It is called being in fight or flight every single day, every single minute of the day, and this has to stop. So this is why I open this GoFundMe, and I am asking for your help. I cannot live in survival mode. I am surviving. So if you can help, please do. Now it is either he let the door open or he closed it. Either way, it's not normal conditions, so please help me get my own place.